In this video, we will see how we can utilize a built-in function within R to figure out if our dataset contains NA values so that we can remove those values and work with our analysis. For example, we have already declared a vector that has 1000 values, a total of 1000 values plus 1001 value, that is NA value. For example, if we call mean of this data set, it will be returned as NA because of the fact that it contains NA values. For example, you have just imported your data set and the data set is free, you have is fresh, and you have not done any sort of analysis on it yet, and you would like to know if it actually contains NA values. So there is a built-in function